Education is changing. The classrooms of yesterday are no longer enough for the minds of tomorrow. Today's learners need more than textbooks. Teachers need more than tools. Educational institutions need more than systems. They need a new way forward. At Breathe 4 School, we are not just digitizing education, we are transforming how students learn, think, and grow. Empowering self-learning. Learning shouldn't stop when the bell rings. With rich, engaging multimedia lessons, after-class sync content, self-assessments, instant doubt solving, and peer learning support, students continue learning anytime, anywhere, at their own pace. Confidence grows, curiosity deepens, and parents stay worry-free because everything their child needs is always within reach. From rote learning to real understanding, memorizing answers isn't learning, understanding is. Powered by Bloom's Taxonomy, Breathe 4 School evaluates not just what students remember but how they apply, analyze, and think. Learning gaps are identified early. Personalized remedial support follows instantly. The result? Stronger foundations, better outcomes, and no students left behind. Making assignments meaningful. Assignments shouldn't feel like pressure, they should spark imagination. We transform traditional assessments into engaging, real-world challenges through multimedia-based questions, practical tasks, and experiential learning that deepen understanding and sharpen thinking. Empowering teachers with smart tools. Great teachers shape the future, they deserve great support. With curriculum-aligned high-quality multimedia content, lesson planners, and ready teaching resources, educators create dynamic, interactive classrooms where every concept comes alive and every student stays engaged. Real-time insights for smarter teaching. Teaching becomes powerful when it's informed. Through adaptive assessments and doubt resolution tools, teachers gain real-time visibility into student progress. They know who needs help, where support is required, and when intervention matters most. Every lesson becomes targeted. Every day becomes impactful. Smart assessments made effortless. Assessment creation no longer needs hours. Our AI-powered tools help educators generate questions by skill and difficulty. Leverage ready-to-use question banks and important question files directly to create assessments instantly in a few clicks, saving time, effort, and energy for what truly matters. Automated evaluation and instant reports. Evaluation simplified. Automatic grading for objective answers. Flexible manual evaluation for subjective learning. Instant performance analytics. Accurate reports. Complete transparency. Speed, precision, and control all in one place. Empowering every student to speak. Every student has a voice, even the quiet ones. Through a safe, moderated peer platforms, students ask questions, share ideas, collaborate, and learn together. Confidence grows. Participation increases. Classrooms become communities. One question, one shared solution. No more repeating the same doubts. With a shared doubt-solving space, every answered question becomes a learning resource for the entire class. Students learn together. Teachers save time. No doubt goes unanswered. Smarter classrooms with blended learning. Learning becomes limitless. Live classes, recorded sessions, structured resources, anytime revision. Blended learning turns classrooms into year-round learning ecosystems, where progress is continuous, measurable, and meaningful. Interactive online classrooms. Online learning should feel natural, with education-specific smart features, multi-user whiteboards, writing, automatic question detection, instant assessments, recordings, and chats teachers and students experience the comfort of a real classroom. With deep engagement scores and learning outcome insights for every student, teaching becomes measurable and powerful. Stronger parent-school connection. Education works best when parents are connected. With real-time updates on attendance, performance, homework, fees and notices, parents stay informed, involved, and confident, strengthening trust between schools and home. Capturing the journey, not just the results. Every small moment matters. Through the class gallery, parents witness their child's early learning journey, creating emotional connections, meaningful conversations, and memories that last beyond the classroom. Smarter school management, simplified, one platform, total clarity from academics to administration, real-time dashboards, timetables, workloads, analytics. Schools operate seamlessly, make data-driven decisions and focus on what truly matters. Nurturing minds, hearts and values. Education is more than marks. With safety-first listening tools and daily value-based learning stories, we nurture emotional strength, empathy, discipline, and character, shaping not just better students, but better human beings.